Hello everyone, welcome to Nana's Farmhouse. Wanted to show you some handmade items from Tom from Krisnick that we have in the store. They're handmade items and we have many beautiful Santas here, as you can see. And look at this one that has a little cart here, has a little house, and has a little pull string on it with the sheep. He's holding a bear. And then we have another one here. He's got some little red bells. And then we have a few more over here that we have to offer. These are all on our website, so you can find them there. And I also wanted to let you know that we're having our Christmas open house this coming weekend. It's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We're going to have bakery goods to give away, some cookies all ready for you to take home. We have things to drink to help you there. And we have many beautiful other things to show you in the store. We have beautiful greenery to decorate your home. We have beautiful candles and so many more beautiful things that we shopped around all year to bring you for this Christmas season. So we hope you can come in and join us, and we look forward to seeing you. Thank you so much.